Since its debut in 2022, the Tsuyosa collection has taken the watch world by storm. Inspired by 1980s design, paired with integrated sports watch aesthetics, an automatic movement, and a price tag that makes it an incredible entry point, Tsuyosa quickly became one of Citizen's best sellers. And now, it evolves. At first glance, the case remains familiar. 40 millimeters wide, 11.7 millimeters thick, crafted in stainless steel with brushed and polished accents. It comes in three styles: classic steel, two-tone with yellow-gold accents, and full rose-gold IP. You still get the sapphire crystal with magnifier, recessed crown, and an exhibition caseback with 50 meters of water resistance. But here's where the Tsuyosa 60 sets itself apart. The dial now features a stamped guilloché-like texture, adding refinement and depth. Paired with bold applied markers and luminous hands, it's available in black for the steel model, green for the bicolor, and a striking blue for the rose gold edition. Inside beats the upgraded caliber 8310. Unlike the older 8210, this new movement delivers a longer 60-hour power reserve, improved finishing with striped bridges, blue screws, and an open-worked rotor, all running smoothly at 3 Hz. And the bracelet? Gone is the basic 3-link. In comes a refined 5-link Jubilee-style bracelet with brushed outer links, polished centers, and a concealed butterfly clasp for seamless integration. The Citizen Tsuyosa 60 automatic lands in September 2025 as part of the permanent collection. Pricing starts at €379 for the steel model, $399 for the bicolor, and $429 for the rose gold edition. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews, news, and deep dives. Hit the bell so you never miss an update.